Right, so we've got this Mazda 2. The remote control for the central lock-in is completely useless, not doing anything at all. We can press any of those buttons with no response at all. This is a 60 plate. If we look at the key, there's a few that cross over that are very similar on a few other models. So inside here there's a tiny little tab, and you just got to press that little tab and then the key separates. So we'll put that bit to one side, and this is the bit we're interested in. So when you've got that, there's a little arrow there which we put a screwdriver in, just give it a little twist, it pops the top off, revealing the battery. Just pop the screwdriver in behind the battery, give it a little twist, and we should be able to just pop that out. Nice and careful. Ooh, there we go. This battery is a CR0620. A new battery, we'll pop that in there. Just make sure those contacts are nice and prominent on the back of that. Just give them a little tweak. Pop that back on, just push it down, bingo, and then we'll pop that back in there. All sorted.